talking to you. How do you poobers do it? You poobers. You guys. Hey guys, Jessica here, aka Little Miss Airsoft, and today we are going to unbox the airsoftgi YouTube unboxing mystery box. My second unboxing ever, first one ever posted because I was generally really upset with the last box that I got. However, today we have this box, and I've seen other YouTubers that have unboxed this box, and I'm a little scared. I know C7 Viper got the KWA pistol. RGK got a whole box of gloves. However, I've been personally turned off from mystery boxes. I'm hoping this is some shot at redemption for me. Otherwise, it's just another way to make my life miserable, and that's okay, because you guys on Instagram told me to get this. So I'm going to be opening this with a knife that I got from a dear friend of mine. He does actually own my t-shirts. So we have this. Let's go. All right. Let me know what you guys think I'm going to get. I'm curious to know what you guys think. Okay, here we go. I'm freaking out. Ooh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. There was an option in the order to let Cisco know what you kind of wanted. I can't see anything yet. It's just paper. I wanted a DMR, preferably for Downfall 7 coming up. So please, Cisco. Okay, girl. It's just a packing slit. All right. Airsoftgi, you did me good. You did me real good. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. Whoa! We got a patch! Stay bland! Fuck yeah! We got a patch! Ooh. Okay. Alright. Sorry. Okay. The TR16 MBR 308. Okay. This is about, I don't know if you guys know about this. This is about, I'm having a freak out. This is the first time I've gotten anything decent in a mystery box, let alone what I actually wanted. This is about as DMR as it gets, guys. All right. I'm sorry. We have a 308, and she feels good. I like it. Guys, I love it. And she's surprisingly very light for a DMR, and you could tell that they had cut out a lot of the metal on this, which probably makes it a little bit lighter. Guys, this is the mag. I believe they're like 40 or 60 rounds. It's beautiful. She's absolutely beautiful. This is everything I could have asked for. Okay. They have these little stopper down here. I don't know what these are called, but I know it makes sure that all the BBs get used. And then we have the iron sights here. I love it. I don't know. I'm so happy, guys. I am, honestly, this is the best gun I could have hoped for. I don't know how much this retails for. I will go ahead and check it out. But I can tell you that it's way more than I paid for this. I think this is a speed loader. Look how cool. So you put your BBs in here. And so we have a speed loader. Yeah, that is it. I mean, that is quite possibly the best thing I could have gotten in a mystery box. And I'm very pleased. Thank you, Cisco. Thank you guys at airsoftgi. I am so happy. So happy. Guys, for being here. And till the next time, love you guys. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I'm doing.